Are you looking for an easy way to make money online, even if you are a beginner? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I help people just like you make more money online while working only a few minutes a day. And if you already have some online experience, well, that's great. This can be ideal for you too. So stick with me till the end. I've been making money online almost since the start of the internet. I've done it full time for over 20 years now. And what I'm going to share is a business I build myself. It is my number one recommended income stream. I've found it to be the fastest and easiest way yet to create an amazing income no matter what your background. And it's not just about the money, it's about creating time freedom too. See, I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer. This online business can literally change your life. And can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comment section below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. And if you have any questions, leave them there too. I do read and respond to all of them. So what I want to share with you is a business model called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and make money. It's all done online. There are no inventory or customer service issues. It's neat, it's clean, anyone can do it. No previous experience is needed. Now, there are a ton of affiliate offers to choose from, but I'm going to recommend one specific one. It's based on a high quality, high demand product that almost sells itself. The product is competitively priced. In fact, it actually costs far less than competitive products. And as for making money, this business pays out big 80% commissions and recurring income too. I love getting paid every week by direct deposit, no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And here's the thing, most affiliate marketing offers pay out small, one-time commissions of only a few percent. And that means to make real money with those, you would have to sell a lot of that product every single day. Well, most people cannot do that, especially beginning online marketers. And as for that recurring income I mentioned, that's money that keeps coming in month after month from the sales you make each day. You will love getting paid months from now for the sales you make today. This business is super affordable. Money will not be an obstacle here. And talk about simple to do. Wow. We will give you your very own complete marketing system. You can be set up and get started making money later today. You will not need to create anything. You do not need to spend days getting going. Thanks to our exclusive Quick Start strategy and training, many new people make money their very first day. As part of our system, you will have your very own customized landing or lead capture pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails. One of the bonuses I give people who team up with me is a library of 75 of my best emails to send out, and I will help you get the same email autoresponder that I use for free. Again, none of our system requires any previous experience. Everyday people all over the globe are having massive success with us. And part of that success is due to the training we provide. We have the best online marketing training anywhere. In fact, a number of people who are already building other online businesses have joined us just for the training. It's that good. Our members-only training website has dozens of how-to videos on all kinds of online marketing techniques. We provide extensive training on free marketing strategies that are proven to be effective. You will learn how to build a successful, highly profitable online business without needing a marketing budget, no other tools to buy, like in so many other online businesses. We do live Zoom training calls daily, and you will love our Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. I've never seen another online community quite like ours. But maybe the best part of helping you make money online is that you will get my personal one-on-one mentoring too. It's just easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is an industry leader with decades of experience. I will share everything that has helped us be successful. You'll never wonder about what to do next. And if you are busy already, and hey, who isn't? Making money online with us takes minimal time, very minimal time. We will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more and get started making money online today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.